no. Original. Yeah. She said no.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm glamming up this pretty lady. Today is her graduation day and she came to me and she was like, I want to look good, I want to look beautiful. And I'm like, okay girl, I got you. So right now I'm just grooming her brows, okay, to make them perfect for drawing. Then I just wiped off any dirt that she had on her face. She actually had makeup on her face, so I had to clean that all up. Then next I'll go into my powder and my artsy brush to just set her brows, you know, to make them look less oily and to ease the drawing process. Yes, so next to draw my brows, I'm going into my pencil from Davi. I'm just going to make my brow lines to define my brows and filling my brows with this brow pencil, guys. So guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording everything that I was doing, so I had to start recording back from here. So but I have a detailed brow tutorial on my channel though. I'm going to link it down below. Okay, then I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan to just, you know, give her brows that clean defined look, and my Zoeva concealer brush. And then I'm going into this eyeshadow blending brush to just blend out the concealer that I have on her eyes. The next, I'm using the same shade of the concealer that I use. It's actually my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan, guys, as I said. And I'm just going to prime her eyes, you know, just prep those eyes for a perfect eyeshadow. Then I'll go into my powder again and just set that. For eyeshadow, I'll be using my Jacqueline X Morphe palette, and I'm using this very light ox blood shade to just put that onto the contour area of her eyes and then blending that towards her crease, if you guys understand what I'm doing. Then next I'm going into another brush and then I'm using this very dark, very dark ox blood color again, and I'm just packing that onto the contour area of her eyes. I really hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing and understanding what I'm doing. Okay, so next after that I'm just going to blend those two colors together. Then I'll use my concealer in the shade Cool Tan again and my concealer brush, you know, to just cut her crease. Then I'll be going into this brown shimmery eyeshadow color from this Morphe palette, guys. This Morphe palette, I think this palette is older than me. What? No, this palette is very old. As you can see, some of the colors are almost finished, and I'm just putting that onto the outer part of the crease. Then I'm going into this lighter shade of gold and I'm putting that onto the frontal part of her crease. I hope what I'm saying is correct though. Yes, it's correct, it's actually correct. The next I'm going to just blend all of those colors together. Blend. Then after, I'm using my NYX glitter glue and I'm just putting that onto the middle part of where I have each eyeshadow, if that makes sense. Then I'm going into this glitter eye palette and I'm taking this gold brown, this brownish gold. Oh god, I have to go back to learn colors in school actually. So I'm using that glittery color to just place that onto where I have the brownish gold color, and then going back in with the yellowish gold to put that where I have the yellowish gold shimmer. Oh my god, I'm saying a lot of things. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You know, the guys, then I'm using my matte eyeliner, okay, to just line her eyes, to make it pop. All right. So I went ahead to do the other eye off camera. Right now I'm just cleaning off all the residue that I have under her eyes. Then for her waterline, I'm using my Kiss Beauty black gel liner to line her waterline. For primer, you guys know my favorite. She has an oily skin, so I went into my Pond's primer and I just put that all over her face. Guys, I didn't tell you, this is actually her first time doing a full face makeover. Like, I'm the one disvirgining her face right now. Okay. So I'm using my True Care True Color foundation. I'm going to leave the shade down in the description box below. Then I'm using this brush, this foundation brush. It's just a random foundation brush, guys. It doesn't have a name. I'm just using that to put that foundation all over her face, blending that going down towards her neck. You want to blend everything well. All right.
Body nice. See, I got them heard my moving right. See the girl them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man I tell her when she call out.
So after doing all of that, I'm going into my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I just decided to mix those two colors together. I don't know why I was mixing the two, but I just felt like, let me just mix the two and see what happens, guys. I like adventures. I like trying new things. Okay, so that is what I did, and I'm just going into my beauty blender to blend everything out. Guys, I'm so sorry my hair was coming to the camera, but I had to blend this girl's face to the gods. Okay, I had to blend everything perfectly well, so I am so sorry. Okay. So after blending all of that, I'm going into my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to just set all the areas that I highlighted. All right.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right.
Thereafter, I told you guys I'm bringing you guys new tricks. I'm going into this brownish shade of this Sacha Buttercup setting powder to just set the bridge of her nose. Is it the bridge of her nose? Her the under part of her jaw. Yes. Oh my god, am I getting this right? Yes. Then to contour her face, I'm using my Minister Professional contour palette. I'm using this very dark brown shade to contour her nose, her forehead, the under part of her jaws. All right, all the areas that I always contour. Then I'll go right ahead to dust off the excess powder that she has on her face. So I went right ahead into this small clean eyeshadow brush to dust off all the excess powder that she has under her eyes, just to make sure I don't have any excess powder under her eyes, guys. For blush, I'm using this orange color called Ofala from my Juvia's Place palette. Then for highlighter, I'm using my Blossom bronzer. You guys know my favorite, and I'm just applying that onto the areas that I normally highlight. For her lips, I'm using this brown pencil in Davi, and I'm just lining her lips. Okay, we're going in with nude today. Okay. Then I'm using this NYX nude lip gloss to just put that all over her mouth. Thereafter, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. It's been long I did this, guys. Oh my god. Then I'm just going to place that into the middle part of her lips and then tell her to blend, and then going back into my brown pencil, I'm just going to, try to blend everything that I have there on her lips, and then everything looks so fine. So right now we're deciding on which lashes to use. She didn't want anything too dramatic, okay, so she was trying to choose her lashes, and she actually chose the white park. I have forgotten the name, guys, but I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. I think it's the 6D Ming hair. What? I didn't even read that correctly, did I? So this is the lashes for using, guys. That's it. I went in with my 7 Girl mascara to just brush her lashes, just make them look flawless and prep them for forces. Then I'm going right ahead to apply my lash glue. Then I just went ahead to place her lashes onto her real lashes, guys. I have a detailed lash tutorial on my channel. I'm going to link it down below. Okay, all right. Then I'm spraying her face with a classic makeup fix spray, and that's it, guys. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, see you guys in my next one. I have more interesting videos coming up, okay? If you have any video ideas, you can just tell me in the comment section down below. I'm gonna do it for you guys, okay? Anything for you guys. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, and please tell my girl congrats in the comment section down below, guys. Thank you. Bye.
If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them are the men that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.